Welcome all. Today we are discussing about what is OOPS concept in C++. Introduction. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. It was developed by Johnny Starstrup at Bell Laboratories in the year of 1980. It combined the features of Simula 67 and C languages. The older name of C is C with classes. It was renamed as C++ in the year 1983. It is an extension of C because all the concepts are C are applicable to C++. C++ is an partially object-oriented programming language because it does not support some of the concept of OOPS. Next, key concept of OOPS. There are several key concepts in object oriented programming. Some of the concepts are objects, classes, data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, dynamic binding, and message passing. First, what is object? Object are the basic runtime entity in an object oriented programming. Objects are the instance of class. When a program is executed, the objects interact by sending messages to one another. An object is a blueprint of class. Objects can interact without having to know the details of each other data or code. Next, classes. Classes is a collection of objects having identical properties. A class is a user-defined data type that can contain both data members and data member functions. Once a class has been declared, the programmer can create n number of objects associated with that class. For example, BSc is a class means students, chair, table, and books are the properties of the class. Next, data abstraction. Abstraction refers to act of representing the essential features without including the background details. Abstraction is the procedure of identifying properties and methods related to a specific entity as applicable to the application. For example, we have computer with made various of parts like keyboard, mouse, monitor, and etc. We think it as single unit, but it has several subunits. These units, when combined together to perform required task. Next, encapsulation. Packing up of data and functions into a single unit is known as encapsulation. The data not accessible outside the functions it has accessed by the members of same class only. Data hiding is an important feature of OOPS and C++ also. Next, inheritance. Inheritance means one class property acquired by another class is known as inheritance. It is most important feature in OOPS. It provides the code reusability. The programmer can add new properties to the existing class without modifying it. This is possible by deriving a new classes from existing one. The new class will have the combined features of both the classes. Next, polymorphism. Same function can act different behavior in different instances are known as polymorphism. For example, consider the operation of addition of two numbers. The operation will generate sum. If the operands are string, it produces concatenation. Polymorphism supports the concept of operator overloading and function overloading. The next, dynamic binding. Binding means connecting one program to another program that is to be executed in reply to the call. Dynamic binding is also called as late binding. The code associated with the procedure is not known until the program is executed, which is also known as late binding. Next, message passing. The method of communication between two or more objects is known as message passing. The object can communicate with more another object to transfer the information from one to another. That is called as a message passing. Thank you.